Yo guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have another look at one of the more useful unboxing and review videos. It's another little thing I bought for my class. So as you see, there's these really thin magnets here that we did acquire here. And as you see, they're pretty strong. They hold tightly together and they don't want me to separate them. But I will get there. They're like the size of a little coin, kinda ish, and the thickness of a coin. And then they also add these little white sticky pads so you can, well, put stuff around there easily. And in here, let's see, we got some other magnets as well. We got these wooden magnets, which have a nice appeal, but I have to say they are, yeah, having kinda small magnets in the center here. They do hold them up, I tried that before. It's just not as convincing. They are strong enough to hold themselves. They can hold some papers, but that's about it then. You can't add like a bunch on there. The other ones, the coin-sized ones, are amazing. They can hold up so much. They're so strong. And yeah, still, both of them are pretty unique, pretty helpful, and I would say I would use them for separate things. But yeah, totally workable. As you see, both of them stick here. Not much of a big deal here for them. And yeah, they hold tight. So it's good enough for sure. And depending if you're up for strength, go for the coin ones. If you also want some that have somewhat a good look, definitely check out the wooden ones. Both of them have like their pros and cons, obviously. The coin ones aren't pretty at all, but whatever. I get to use them quite well and get what I want from them, so I don't really care too much. And yeah, I would say this should be quite a bit of, or should be enough for the video. My name is Badger and I'm out, and I will see you around in the next video. So take care, you guys.